You don't know what you don't know. You can't lead where you don't go. If you don't read, you won't grow. I know. It can feel hard to work together. It can be hard to fight to make our lives better, but it's worth it. We have so many hidden commonalities, but we can unearth it. If we choose to trust each other before suspicion, if we choose to take America's promise and give it a new rendition, we can show the world how to multiply unity where there's division. Where people want to subtract our culture, you can bring addition. We can bring acceptance where there's derision. To lead or to follow. What's your decision? We need to fight all forms of hate with surgical precision. But we can only do that if we really want to heal. To be upstanders and not bystanders, kicking down doors of hate with our heels. When I accept you and you accept me, I love how that feels. So let's commit to love and learn about one another. For real.